All right, let's get on one more movie here. Shares of discount retailer Five Below are on the move here this morning after reporting earnings and failing to meet estimates on the top and bottom lines, and saw nearly a 6% decrease in same-store sales year over year. Not that great of a conference call. You know, I don't know if the management team at Five Below was watching my take yesterday on what we want to, what I would like to hear, and what I think people should be hearing on some of these calls from executives. But nonetheless, spinning a lot of things positive. Bottom line is here, didn't sound like the back-to-school shopping season started off very, very well for this company. Gas prices are still high. This is a very economically sensitive company and consumer that goes to these Five Below stores. Inventory levels very, very high, so not a lot of positive indicators on this business.
Yeah, you know, I love my Philadelphia-based businesses. This is one of them, Five Below. However, yeah, net sales only increasing by about 3.5%. Comp sales, they actually decreased, though, by about 5.8% versus the second quarter of 2021. They had also continued opening stores here, and this is critical when you think about the amount of locations, the amount of brick and mortar retailers right now that are telling us and showing that they're pulling back on some of their spending to open new stores at the same rate that they had before, knowing that consumers are going to decide what discretionary categories they're spending into. Perhaps Five Below, because it falls in the same kind of discount retailer as a Dollar Tree or a Dollar General. I think that they would hope that they trend more towards a Dollar General than a Dollar Tree right now, because of the calls from analysts that we've seen come out and perpetuate this idea that even though a consumer might be pulling back in their spending and looking for deals, that they're still going to lean towards one of the other that has the most locations. And perhaps that's where they're leaning into opening more locations right now. But an increase of stores of about 11.7% from the same quarter of 2021.
Yeah, and I'm glad you brought that up because they're supposed to open 160 stores this year and then 200 stores next year. This team over there is dead set on going from about 1,252 stores to 2,000 stores. To me, that sounds like a lot of stores in an era where it's just going increasingly digital, whether it is on desktop, mobile devices, you name it. That is a lot of stores, especially for a company that sells discretionary stuff. Yeah. Maybe they should start selling food. I don't know.
I just like that they call it their triple-double goals here.
Yeah.
Good basketball reference out
Sounds
there,
good.
but
Clickable.
Sounds good on paper.
Yeah.